The state of the apartment, the old one. This is left. Here I try to do the floor. I have done this side, but you know it's not good, but it's better than this. You see the difference? Like here you can see have been a carpet. Here is just dirt. But they're gonna fix this floor here. Tall, so this is done. This is on the process of taking out from here. Here is empty, it's just the cleaning supplies and the dog's water. Gonna clean here. The hallway is a disaster. I need to take care of all the loose things here. And the kitchen, my son took this and dishes this, so I need to pack this down. And he cleaned here, so good. Use some medicine. So I cleaned all of this yesterday evening, even the oven. It's really nice now. And I have 2 shelves left here I need to clean. And I have 2 shelves here, or 3 actually, but this is cleaned. I just put the food here. And this I need to take to the new place, or else it's done here. This was so heavy. These 2 big mattresses I have behind here. So heavy. And yes, I talk about plastic all the time, but I don't want to ruin this. It's so hard to clean it. So I can't almost not go in and out of the front door. But this is going out today. This we packed yesterday with kitchen stuff. Still the mirror. Here is some stuff. Here is the thing we left in here. This the bed. I need to put plastic over this also. And this have to go also away. And we have the laundry room now also that we run up and down to. I need to go down again. Bookshelf need to be empty. So I want to place everything here that's gonna go out, because we can't do so much before every big furniture is out right now. And I'm happy I get help with this, because this is so heavy. So heavy. And when my son threw this plastic one, it was full then. He threw it up and it's go down on his head. So after that I did everything for myself. So bad. But yeah, this is the state now of this apartment. here I am again decluttering. I'm gonna declutter this fork and knives. I only have 3 of this, I don't know why. This I don't want anymore, and I need to declutter all of this that I took with me from the other apartment, because this is not working here. On this one, this is like vintage. This is really, really old. I had this for 12 years, and my mother's friend, who is not living anymore, she had this before me. And some of them my parents had. So this is like really, really vintage. And it's not working on here. So I need to buy new ones. And I don't have place to store the ones I not need or can't have anymore. So all of this is going. I'm gonna see if my husband wants to have some of them. Or else I just gonna throw them out. Because I don't want to sell it and someone think they can use it and it's not working. And also inside you can see this is really used. This is really bad. So yeah, this is going, and I need to go and buy new ones. Here is my newest buying. It's a frying pan. They had extra price. I needed a new one because this one have to go, and also this is quite new. It's only like 6 months. I don't know if it's even that. Bought in sometimes in the spring. But this is ruined. This is goodbye. So this I bought. And saucepan, I took a like medium size for potato, rice, pasta and stuff like that. Or rice, I don't eat rice so much, but pasta and potato, and it even have this hole. You can't see this now, but it's have a hole in one side, so it is for potatoes. And this one, because I don't have a water boiling, what's the name for that? I don't have that right now. I boil in a saucepan. And this. So this, and it was good because this and this on extra price was only around a little over 600, and that's a really good price because this one was $2.99 original price, and I don't remember this, but this is so expensive here in Sweden, so I'm happy that it was 30% off. Then I also gonna reduce some plastic that we're gonna give away or throw away actually. This is just in Europe, I think they are not allowed to sell this type of plastic anymore because of the bad thing on the environment. And it's bad for the body, so I'm going to take it out. This is so cute. But this is like a wine opener. I don't drink wine. I don't drink alcohol. And this is for a bottle. But this is so sticky. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. This is really, really bad. So I'm not going to try to clean it. I'm just going to throw it out. Bird. I had this for a long time and I don't use it. So, yeah. Now I'm going to do pancakes in this one and try this out.